low portion size, high calorie density. Another consideration related to our eating, if we don't seem to be eating all that much but aren't losing weight, is the calorie density of what we're eating. The image behind me alludes to that. I know you can't see it perfectly, but it shows in theory how full your stomach would be with the same amount of oils, cheese, meat, I think that's starchy veg, fresh veg, fruits, etc. And you can see the difference. So it may be that the volume of what we're eating isn't all that much, but because of the average calorie density of it, the total amount of calories in there is. And ultimately, it doesn't really matter the volume of food that we're having. It's the calories within that that's relevant. And what you'll actually probably find is it's far easier to lose weight by having lower calorie density food, because we can have more food and therefore feel fuller, maybe less restricted in some ways, and therefore stick to it longer term. The answer to that will come under tracking, or at the very least checking labels. If the food that you're consuming has an average density of, say, 4 calories per gram, 400 calories per 100 grams, that's pretty high. If it has an average of 100 to 200, straight away you're having twice to four times the amount of food for the same amount of calories. But ultimately, however complicated you want to make it, it comes from having more low-calorie foods, less high-calorie foods, in order to have a sufficient volume of food, but still maintain that deficit or maintenance.